In this video, we demonstrate how to use the search features of Johnson Controls Knowledge Exchange to find words or phrases contained in HTML or PDF documents. Use Knowledge Exchange to access technical content for Johnson Controls brands. To run a search, enter the relevant keywords or choose a recent search term from the list. Click the magnifying glass or hit enter to run the search. Search results display. Click on the search result to view more details. A document in HTML format is shown. Use the table of contents to navigate directly to specific sections of the document. To search for a word or words, enter them in the keyword search box. To search for a phrase, enclose the phrase in double quotes. If the keyword search box is not visible, click Table of Contents. If the searched word or phrase is found in the body of the document, the results appear beneath the search box. Click on the search result to go to the section of the document that contains the search result. To view the PDF version of the document instead of the HTML version, click on PDF and Attachments. Then, in the Attachment section, click on the PDF's file name. The PDF opens within the browser or downloads. This browser opens the PDF. The table of contents for the PDF is located in the ribbon. To see it, click the bottom icon. To search for a word or phrase, type Ctrl and F and enter the search word or phrase. Use the down and up arrows to search for the next or previous occurrence of a word or phrase. To return to Knowledge Exchange's home search page, click the logo.